welcome to Weekly Current Affairs from 22nd August to 28th August 2021. This is Swastik Kruti, Kendriya Vidyalaya. Current Affairs this week. Number 1. How many bills were passed by Parliament in monsoon session? Answer 22. Number 2. On occasion of 75th Independence celebrations, what program was launched by Sports Minister Anurag Singh Thakur? Answer Fit India Freedom Run 2. Number 3. Supreme Court strikes down which state notification creating sub-classification within OBC non-creamy layer? Answer Haryana. Number 4. Recently, Union Minister Narayana Rane was arrested on what issue? Answer. Slap remarks against Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Number 5. What is the recommendation of United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change IPCC on its 6th largest report for Earth climate? Answer. Code Red for Humanity. Top current affairs this week. Number 6. In which country 42 members including 25 soldiers were died due to wildlife recently? Answer Algeria. Number 7. How much value of arms dealing recently happened between US and Taiwan? Answer $750 million. For which country Association of Southeast Asian Nations (ASEAN) appoints a envoy for peace dialogues? Answer Myanmar. What name kept for India's Afghanistan evacuation mission? Answer Operation Devi Shakti. Harish Parvatayeni appointed as the next ambassador of India in which country? Answer Germany. Number 11. How much percentage of financial transactions happening through digital from PSU banks in India? Answer 72%. 12. What is the scheme announced by government to monetize assets worth rupees 6 lakh crore by 2024 and 25? Answer National Monetization Pipeline Scheme NMPS. 13. Which social media we can book COVID-19 vaccine slots? Answer WhatsApp. 14. Which company designed and developed India's largest income tax returns website? Answer Infosys. Number 15. The National Dog Day was observed on? Answer 26th August. Number 16. Who is appointed as new Director General of Border Security Force BSF in India? Answer Pankaj Kumar Singh. Number 17. Who was flag bearer of India at the opening ceremony at Paralympics at Tokyo? Answer Tek Chand. 18. 100 Days campaign recently launched government to create wastewater management across villages in India. Sujalam. Number 19. Who is appointed as new CEO and MD of ICICI Bank in India? Answer Sandeep Bakshi. 20. The position of India in Global Manufacturing Risk Index 2021. Answer second. 21. Recently, where Army Sports Institute Stadium renamed as Neeraj Chopra Stadium? Answer Pune. 22. Who appointed brand ambassador of the Delhi government's Desh Ki Mentors program? Answer actor Sonu Sood. 23. The digital platform for central government employees training and learning is? Answer Karma Yogi. 24. Which is the first state in India implementing National Education Policy 2020? Answer Karnataka. 25. Who has been appointed as head of Zoological Survey of India? Answer Dhriti Banerjee. Thanks.